eReddam House ikude buduze newarehouse yaka-United Phosphorus Limited. Le warehouse yamakhemikhali yashunqa insuku eningi emuva kokushiswa abantu ababetapa ngezibhelu zangoNtulikazi ngonyaka odlule. Kuthiwa kule warehouse kwakugcinwe inqwaba yamakhemikhali ashunqele emoyeni. Lesi sikole sijwayele ukuba nohlelo lokufunda lwasebusika ngoNtulikazi, kodwa saphoqeleka ukuthi sivale ukuvikela abafundi. Lokho kwaphazamisa ukufunda nokufundisa obese kuvele ukuphazanyiswa ukubheduka kwe-COVID-19. uShriyan Naidu ophase ngamalengiso ulikhuphulile iflag lesikole ngokuthola distinction abayisishiyagalombili yize kungabanga lula.
It was a very difficult time, especially a scary time for all of the KZN's whole of KZN, and also during the pandemic in the beginning of the year, and also throughout the year. There's constant disruptions and everything, which was not really good for our schooling career. But in the end, we made it through.
Abafundi basa-EReddam House baphase bonke okungokwesihlanu iminyaka ilandelana. Abayisihlanu baphuma ku-1% kwabaphase kahle, kwathi abangama-41 bona baphuma ku-5% jikelele.
Although the riots had stopped, the sulfur was quite extensive, and so we had environmental organizations coming here to test the sulfur levels to tell us whether or not it was safe for our kids to return to school. And even when it was safe for them to return to school, we had to do a deep clean of the entire campus.
Abazali bajabulile.
A lot of the children were writing their national benchmark tests, so it was very difficult to keep focused on that. With all the disruptions and things, but they managed to do it. And I think this class of 2021 are just an amazing lot.
Bangu 2,258 abafundi ababhale ivivinyo ze-IEB ezikoleni ezingama-37 KwaZulu Natal. Bongani Gema, Indaba ze SABC eThekwini.